Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we will be installing a small lighting mod on the Tacoma. And when I say small, I mean small. I mean, look at the bulb that's on my hand, and my hands are about the size of those of a peck.
Oh, stupid light TV.
So let's get started. And today on the channel, I will be showing you how to change the shifter position indicator bulb on your truck, which will be useful to you if yours burnt out, or if you're like me, it's perfectly fine, but you know I got to change stuff up on my truck. So I will in fact be switching to this teeny tiny LED you can see right here, change the color up on my truck just a little bit, hopefully make it look pretty cool at night also. I will post a link in the description where you can get an LED bulb like this one, and I will put the part numbers on the screen now if you are replacing the factory bulb and the rubber cap. And just because I love you guys, I will be doing a mini giveaway with this video for another one of these red LED bulbs. So all you have to do to be entered to win is just post a comment below, let me know why you deserve the bulb. Catchiest comment wins, use some humor, use some flash, whatever it takes. Get my attention, I will contact you and send the bulb out. And I will be taking comments for the giveaway for 1 week, so today is Wednesday the 21st, day before Thanksgiving, so on Wednesday the 28th, I will select the comment and send the bulb out to the winner. So good luck to everybody. For the first step, all you have to do is unscrew the shifter handle, which simply does just unscrew counterclockwise. Give it a few turns, comes right off. There you go, step one, done. Next up, we are going to remove this whole center piece that does have the cup holder, coin tray, all that. It should pop right up. There are 6 tabs holding it in, 1 in each corner and then 1 in the middle on each side. There you go. Next step, we will be removing this piece, which Toyota calls the upper position indicator housing. It's this black piece with all the shift displays that actually goes around the shifter knob. You should be able just to get this up with your fingers. If not, you can use a small screwdriver, but again, just be careful not to break these tabs. There are 2 right here on this side and the same 2 on the opposite side. You can see if you just get your finger under there, it really pops right up, so you shouldn't have any issue at all. Then just do the opposite side, and this whole piece comes right up. The next step is completely voluntary. You don't actually have to do it for this install, but while you have everything off, I'm going to try to get in close so you can see. Look at all this like dust, and there's grime pretty much caked everywhere. My truck's 4 years old, be 5 years this coming summer, and it's just nasty. I mean, look around here, you can see just a little buildup over time, so I'm going to go ahead and get a few Lysol wipes and take care of all that. Down here around the shifter, this piece is loose. I'm going to lift that up and then get underneath also, and anything that doesn't come up with that, I'll just use some small can of pressurized air to get to that. Same thing back here where it connects, just more dirt and grime, so go ahead and clean all that up while everything's loose. Once you get everything nice and clean, give it a second to dry, and go ahead and wipe it off with a paper towel if you did use Lysol wipes so you don't get any streaking. Especially on this, because you don't want any smudges on here, and make sure you clean the back, the white squares you can see right there, because that is where the new light will actually be coming through. If that has a little dirt on it, it'll just block the light that much. Next up, you can see there is the bulb right there. It's actually a bulb with a rubber cover around it. You do not need any special clips to pull this out. It's pretty loose, small bulb. You can see it just pulls right up. There is the rubber clip, which if you are going to redo this with the factory bulb and rubber cap, you will probably have to reinstall the new bulb with a new rubber cap, because I would imagine getting this off, you're probably going to damage it. And if you are going that route, a way to get the new rubber cap on is just to use just a little bit of saliva just to lubricate it so you can get it over the bulb right there and reinstall. And I'll just turn the lights on real quick so you can see what the bulb looks like during the daytime. You can see just a little bit of light to illuminate the shifter position indicators. And I will actually be upgrading to a red LED you can see on the left compared to the factory little bulb with the green cap on the right. Same exact size, so fitment should not be an issue. Personally, I think it'll just look a little bit cooler having that red light for the indicators at night, so I can't wait to see what that looks like. Let's get these installed real quick. And the new LED bulb in this case simply slides back in. Just be careful not to use too much force since it is such a small bulb. It's only going to go down just a little bit. And before you put everything back together, especially if you're using an LED bulb, go ahead and turn the key to the on position. Turn your lights on just to make sure it works, and you can see there mine is installed the correct way. If you are installing an LED bulb like me and it does not work the first time, don't worry. All you have to do is pull it out, rotate it 180 degrees, reinstall it, and you should be good to go. Then just reassemble everything else for the center console in the reverse order that you took it off, and you are done. For the ultimate comparison during nighttime, here is what the factory bulb looks like lighting up your shifter positions. Alright, and here is the nighttime shot. I'm not gonna lie, I think that looks pretty awesome. Not too bright, not too faint, I think it's just right, looks pretty wicked. I like the red glow. Of course, you can pretty much put any colored LED bulb you want in there. In my opinion, certainly a huge improvement over the stock look. If you decide to do this and switch to a different colored LED, go ahead and comment below. Let me know which color you go with. It is the day before Thanksgiving, so I would like to wish everyone a happy Thanksgiving. Hope you have your Black Friday sales planned out. Tons of sweet deals going on for Tacoma-related mods. And if you're looking for any stocking stuffers for the holiday season, don't forget to check out my own Black Friday sale where everything in the Tacomaholic shop is 33% off. Thank you so much for swinging by and watching this video. If this is your first time stopping by, please consider subscribing. Give the video a like, comment below, and help me grow the channel by sharing this video with your friends and family on social media. As always, enjoy the rest of your week, and I will see you in the next video.